Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power sunroof, power lift gate, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.